Good morning guys, how are we all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is our Bitcoin morning update. So if you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button and we will go straight over to those charts. So yeah, Bitcoin on the 4 hour, you can see we have had a little bit of a rejection at this level. At this horizontal that we've got drawn in. So we have got to see whether Bitcoin can pick itself up again, start to move on upwards, or are we going to come all the way down and test this support again? Which, yeah, I mean, it wouldn't be ideal for us to do that, and then all of a sudden we're at the lower end of this pennant. So obviously that makes the break to the downside, well, slightly more likely. So yeah, we've got to keep an eye on this today. It's looking like it does want to make a move soon. Volatility is down on so many time frames, and you can just see the pattern, the tightening pattern. We are potentially in for a big move. And anytime basically, anytime. So over to stocks, see how they doing. Are they going to have another plus day? In last night's video I was saying if we have another good day in stocks and a down day in the dollar like we had yesterday, I don't see how Bitcoin can't break to the upside under those circumstances. So yeah, all eyes on those. Stock market, as you can see, had a bit of a sideways to down off the 4 hour 9, but can it get picked up again today? Get back above this, back above this horizontal here at 3430, and we'll be looking like we're in the clear really, for the S&P at least. Over to that DXY. How is the DXY doing? Having a little bounce off our level, which is to be expected. You will get these bounces obviously at important levels on the way down. So yeah, we're getting one here. So is it going to get rejected by the underside of this trend line and then get slammed back down, or is this the level it is going to start to put in a higher low and start to, well, aim for a higher high? Is that what is going on here? Obviously this is not good for, well, stock markets or Bitcoin, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. Euro US dollar, as you can see, it's easing off as well from its horizontal level that we've had drawn in here. So also off the 4 hour 9. So yeah, is that what's going on? We're just playing a bit of sideways to down off the 4 hour 9. And then we are gonna have a nice move up. We'll have to keep an eye on that. Yeah, back over to Bitcoin at the moment, having a little bit of a move down here. Are we gonna come down and obviously test this resistance again? Sorry, this support. Well, it obviously depending on the side, but it's support at the moment because we're above it. Is that we're gonna bounce off it one more time and then go bullish, or are we gonna break below? We'll have to see. I mean, like I said, I don't think a lot will be decided until we see how today goes in the traditional markets, i.e. the stock markets and the dollar index. I think we're going to have to wait to see that. But between then, just more sideways like we are pretty much getting will probably be on the cards. So over to the stochastics, 4 hours up there, but looking like it can come down. So yeah, we could be seeing some sideways to down off that, just some more basically sideways within the range. 10 hour still coming up, 12 hour still going up, daily sort of pointing up still, 2 day pointing up, 3 day looking to curl back down, 5 day, well, looking to flatten out a bit. So overall, on balance, the stochastics are looking okay for Bitcoin. Looking okay. They're definitely more bullish than bearish. However, we are in tight ranges. We are in a tight range, so you're not going to get as good a read of them momentum wise as you would do normally. But so yeah, it is a case of watching traditional markets, I believe, today. If we have another good day in these traditional markets, then I think we will. Well, I think we've got a good chance of taking out the 10,800 and getting up to about the 11,000 area, and then deciding, do we want to play some sideways there, or do we want to break through that? Or basically just deciding what we want to do. The downside, well, the downside we can clearly see. I think if we break below this 10,500, it won't be looking good. It will not be looking good for Bitcoin. And if I feel like if we didn't have such a good day in traditional markets yesterday, we quite possibly would have taken this out yesterday. So yeah, again, just as I said, all eyes on those markets. But if we do take this level out, I mean, I think we'll be probably looking at another test of 10k, and then we'll have to we'll have to hold our breath at that level, see if we can bounce off it again. So yeah, that is it, guys. Remember, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, and I will speak to you guys later on today.